I haven't done an unboxing in a little bit of time. So I got this from PR. I got this on PR from the company Verse Skincare. I believe this company, you can get it in Target, in Amazon. It's very affordable. And there's few products that I have tried and they're actually really good. I think they do more like a clean beauty type of thing. So they have like good ingredients and stuff. That's a cute packaging. It's vegan, cruelty-free. It's a dermatologist tested, clean ingredients, no parabens, no no sulfates, no silicones, no artificial fragrance,
no petroleum, no mineral oil, and no microbeads.
So I guess it's very clean beauty. It's very clean. So it's good to know. It's $19.99 for these 3 little pieces. I'm digging this thing in the middle. It was like a thermometer. So I guess you put this in the in your fridge. Not in the freezer, in the fridge. So anything that is cold is good for depuffing. This moisturizing gel cream I have tried before and it's really good. And then this is that cleansing balm. Interesting. Alright. I love unboxing videos. I'm a huge YouTuber consumer, so sometimes I just watch videos of people doing unboxing and stuff, and I love it. I don't know, it's because I work in retail for so many years that anything with shopping and unboxing, I like it. Oh, there's a few goodies in here. Alright, let's see. It's like Christmas morning. Soothing Eye Cream 0G, like Georgie. Daily Mineral Sunscreen SPF 35, which actually I was kind of needing already. In this one, it has sea fennel, moringa seed extract. Actually, moringa is a huge antioxidant. It's really good for you. Actually, I do take moringa supplements. Very good for energy. They're amazing. This is a clarifying serum with willow bark extract and zinc blend. Instant resurfacing mask with pineapple enzymes. Ooh. And rich moisture cream with squalane and red algae extract. I like their packaging. It's very retro, very 60s almost looking. I like the colors. So my face is, all clean. No products at all. First step, always clean face. Then second step, I like to do my serum. Usually a toner. They didn't send me a toner in here, so let's skip the step of the toner and let's do serum. You know that serums are the ones that do most of the work. I always say that because serums are usually light in texture and they go deeper into the skin. So definitely a lot of credits for serums. So if you're gonna invest in something skincare, make sure that you pay attention to the serum portion of it. It's like a little baby small container, 1 ounce. This I will be gone in a week. Hopefully they make this in a larger one. If I really like it, I should then buy it, but in a larger size. Because big is always better, right?
I like them when they're really big.
And I think it's better when they're enormous.
My mode of application on skincare, usually it is more like in a patting more than just rubbing. So I like just to pat. This one, it feels, doesn't feel greasy. It feels a little bit tacky, like a little bit, I don't know. It's a little bit thicker and a little tacky, but it doesn't bother me. And actually, it penetrates pretty quick. You know what? That little tackiness, it almost like it holds the skin in place a little bit, so I don't mind that. The containers are 50% recycled plastic. Good job, Verse. I'm feeling you. So they said 3 drops. I did like 6 or 7 drops. So I did almost like a full dropper. So maybe that's why I feel a little bit tacky. We neglect the neck a lot. And that's something that I should know because listen, we all have cell phones and we all looking down all the time, and what's gonna happen is those lines are gonna form sooner or later. So we wanna make sure that we are not neglecting our neck area. I'm going to actually leave all the links on the description there below if you'll be interested, and then this is not gonna break the bank. This is really inexpensive. All right, it feels good and it doesn't feel greasy at all. Like I felt like it was a little bit tacky, but now the tackiness is like gone. I do like the feel of it. This is Skin Soak Rich Moisture Cream. All right, let's give her a try. Ta-ta, so nice and creamy. It says rich, so I expect that this is gonna be a little bit on the thicker side. No smell, you guys. That is great. If you are sensitive to smell, you do not have to worry. There's literally nothing. Doesn't smell like anything. So far, I don't feel that it's that hydrating. I don't know why. Let me put more. For being a rich cream, I don't think it's that hydrating. So if you have very dry skin, I don't think this might really do it for you, in my opinion. I think this is more like normal to maybe dry a little bit. But if you have very dry skin, I don't think this is gonna really hydrate that much. But it doesn't feel bad. Now I don't have very dry skin, so for my skin type, which is oily combination, it might be okay for me. So this is made for dryness and aging skin. Well, I expect it to be a little bit more hydrated than that, but let me not just criticize the cream because my skin feels good and it doesn't feel heavy either. If you're not that dry, you might be happy with the texture of this. If you're severe dehydrated, flaky skin, very, very dry, I don't think that you're gonna really feel that hydrated. So this one I have tried before. This is the Georgie Soothing Eye Cream. This one gonna have like a little color to it, because this one I bought before and I love it. So I can show you, you see, it's like a little pink color. This I have bought before and I really, really enjoy it. It feels very creamy, very light, also not heavy. And I always like to pat with my ring fingers, people. It has a less amount of pressure, so you're not gonna hurt your eye by doing this. Now, if you use your thumb, if you use other fingers, you're gonna put maybe too much pressure and then you kinda maybe irritate the eye area. So use your ring finger and pat it. Patting is gonna help with circulation. But if you have dark circles and if you have puffiness, patting it about 10 times from corner back will help quite a bit. The mask, I'm gonna tell you later how this mask is. It's just like, this is more for nighttime, so I will try that another time. Oh, how cute is the packaging on this? This is cute. SPF 35 with sea funnel and moringa. For my people out there that likes to use makeup during the day, maybe do this before your coffee and let it sit before you apply your foundation. Knowing me, I'm not gonna wait no 10 minutes because in the mornings I don't have time and I'm literally doing my makeup and drinking my coffee, putting my deodorant. So I'm gonna put this and then put my foundation and out the door. But I like it. It feels really good. I like it. No smell, really, no smell at all. Doesn't feel shocky like the instruction says, and it feels nothing tacky. That's it. That was the unboxing for Verse. Thank you so much for the PR. Thank you, Verse, for sending me these products. If you like it, click on my affiliate link so you can actually get them right in Amazon. And if you have any questions, you know what to do. You let me know. So subscribe to my channel, please. Again, I want to keep growing my family. By the way, you guys, I hit my first 1 million views. Woo! I'm in celebration. My first 1 million views on my channel. Thank you so much. It took me about 2.5 years, almost 3 years, to hit the 1 million views mark, but I am so excited. I'm over the moon. Thank you all for your support. One thing I want to ask you guys is that please leave your comments right there below with an emoji, with a thumbs up, whatever you want to do, or I like it, or maybe not so much, whatever you want to say. And I get a lot of messages, a lot of engagement, but for whatever reason, I get them in Instagram, they send me in private messages and emails, and I'm like, oh, I appreciate that so much, but please leave me the comment on YouTube, because it really helps the algorithm quite a lot, more than I even imagine. So please leave your comments right there below, subscribe if you like this video, hit the like button, and I will see you next time here on my channel. All right, happy shopping. Mwah. Have an amazing day and keep loving and do not spread hate. All right, bye mi gente.